Good morning, gentlemen. Welcome back to Man Glow Up, your ultimate guide to looking and feeling your best. Today, we're diving into an essential topic, early morning grooming tips that will fix your face and set you up for a fantastic day. Whether you're heading to work, the gym, or just starting your day, these tips will help you look fresh and confident. First things first, start with a clean slate. Use a gentle facial cleanser to remove any dirt, oil, and impurities that have accumulated overnight. This step is crucial for preventing breakouts and keeping your skin healthy. Make sure to use lukewarm water and gently massage the cleanser into your skin in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly and pat your face dry with a clean towel. Exfoliation is key to removing dead skin cells and promoting a brighter complexion. Use a gentle exfoliating scrub twice a week to keep your skin smooth and prevent clogged pores. Be gentle and avoid over-scrubbing, as this can irritate your skin. Focus on areas prone to dryness or blackheads. Next, apply a toner to balance your skin's pH levels and tighten your pores. A good toner can also help remove any residual dirt or oil that your cleanser might have missed. Apply the toner with a cotton pad, gently sweeping it across your face and neck. Moisturizing is a crucial step in any grooming routine. Choose a lightweight, hydrating moisturizer that suits your skin type. Apply it evenly across your face and neck, focusing on areas that tend to get dry. This will keep your skin hydrated throughout the day and create a smooth base for any further grooming steps. The skin around your eyes is delicate and prone to showing signs of fatigue. Apply a small amount of eye cream to reduce puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines. Use your ring finger to gently tap the cream around your eye area, being careful not to pull or tug at the skin. No morning grooming routine is complete without sunscreen. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is essential for preventing premature aging and skin damage. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and apply it generously to your face and neck. Don't forget the tops of your ears and any other exposed areas. If you have facial hair, take a few minutes to groom it. Trim any stray hairs and shape your beard or moustache to your desired style. Use a beard oil or balm to keep your facial hair soft and manageable. This will not only enhance your appearance, but also boost your confidence. Finally, stay hydrated and freshen up. Drink a glass of water to kickstart your metabolism and keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Use mouthwash to ensure your breath is fresh and you're ready to face the day. And there you have it, your ultimate early morning grooming routine to fix your face and look your best. Which tip are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Man Glow Up for more style and grooming advice, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified whenever we post new content. Stay sharp and stay confident.